Today we'll be using Honeybee stamps, big pickup, die set, and stamp set. Today I'm going to show you two variations of the card. One makes the headlights glow in the dark and the other one does not. We will take a piece of white cardstock and put it inside of our Misti, and I'm going to use Memento black ink to get a good impression because I plan to color this with Copics. If you'd like to skip past the coloring, I have chapters located here for you to skip past the coloring of the truck. To make this a fun shape card, take your die and place it over your pickup truck. I use Post-it note tape to keep the die cut in place as it goes through the machine. Once it goes through the die cut machine, I also die cut it just using a piece of white paper to give me the base of my card. And then I have the front and the back of the card. And the back of the card is where I will place the sentiment. And I find it's easy to put it in the Misti and place down and align my sentiment. And I'm going to use Loads of Love because I thought it was absolutely perfect for Father's Day. You can choose any sentiment to put inside for Father's Day. You will cut a 1x1 square and you will crease it at a 1/2 inch. This is making the mechanism to make the shaped card. You will want to make sure you crease this well because this is what is going to open and close the card and connect the two pieces together. Next, take your double-sided tape and put it on each side of this little mechanism that you've created. I suggest again using the bone folder to make sure that it adheres well, because we do not want the card to fall apart. Take off your adhesive and line up where the score line is to the top of the card and adhere that down well. Again, using your bone folder to make sure that it stays on well, or press it down with your fingers. Then line up the other side of the front of the card and make sure to put that down in alignment, and you have made your card. And you have something to send to someone. But of course, we want to take our card up to the next notch. So I'm going to use my favorite product, which is Glossy Accents. And you would want to put it on the headlights and the reflective lights as well as the window. But I have decided to make this card make the headlights glow in the dark. And how we're going to do that is to get our Copic marker out. It's Y11, and we're going to lay that color down, because this starts to give the look that the headlights are on. But we're going to use Nuevo Glow Drops to add that extra punch to the card. And you will put this down and allow it to dry. When it dries and it gets light on it, it will glow in the dark, so it will look like the headlights are on the truck. And then you will finish off the card using your Glossy Accents. As crafters, we just love to take our cards up to the next notch and give it a little wow. And this is the perfect way to do this. And once we get our Glossy Accents down, you'll see two cute creations, one with the glow drops and one without, and how it glows in the dark. Here are two examples, one with glossy accents and no glowing headlight. The other one has glowing headlights, and then when you put it in the dark, those headlights pop out. Thank you for stopping by, and if you like this, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which one you're going to make. And if you'd like to, please subscribe. I appreciate each and every subscriber. Thanks again.